The markets continue their dramatic, steady climb. The Dow up 142 points today after trading lower most of the day. The Nasdaq continually traded higher. Even in the face of all the political garbage that's going on in Washington, investor sentiment is staying very positive. This allows for extremely high probability, high profit trade setups. Our recommendation on SQ today was based upon the doji gap up, another doji right here at the resistance level, making this trade very simple. If it opened positive, you wanted to be buying immediately because of our simple doji rule that the price will usually move in the direction of how they open after a doji. The benefit of analyzing that is that you can be investing immediately in a high probability trade, knowing that it was heading in the right direction. The fact that it was breaking out through a resistance level, also creating a bullish J-hook pattern, not only puts you in the right direction, but puts you in a situation where the profitability was extremely strong. The same scenario can be witnessed in our recommendation on Taylor Brands. If it opened positive and traded positive, what was it doing? It was coming out of this fry pan bottom with stochastic still heading up, making the logical target at least up into this trend. So knowing what happens in human nature time after time allows a candlestick investor to not only be in the right position at the right time, but be in situations where the percentage moves are going to be stronger than just a normal uptrending stock. Now, the thing that most people have to get through is during an uptrending market, they're making decent money because they've got positions that are trading up and they've got other positions that are trading down. And the normal human nature reaction is, oh man, if I hang on to the ones that are heading down, they'll eventually turn around and head back up. Instead of using candlestick analysis, which is oriented more toward common sense, find the patterns that tell you you should be making a good profit. And if you've got something that's moving in the wrong direction, close it out. Now you don't have that fear of closing out a losing position and getting back into another losing position. You can go find situations where the probabilities are greatly in your favor that they're going to continue to move in the right direction. Knowing what should happen coming out of patterns, like a J-hook pattern, gives you probabilities of what to expect. Today, Netflix reported their earnings after they were buying going into the close, anticipating what those earnings were. Currently, it's trading up above the 240 level. But just knowing that investor sentiment works the same way time after time allows a candlestick investor to take advantage of probability trade setups that puts you in the right position at the right time. And that same setup can be visualized over in Amazon, where it's had a nice run, profit taking, hasn't been able to get back below the T line, hasn't even been back below the 3T line, and the J-hook pattern's in progress. Even though it's trading up at this level, the candlestick investor can assess that if this is wave 1, there's a high probability wave 3 will be the same magnitude. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.